the summer is gonna start. This is the sign of the season. Nah. This is really like normal, okay? If you feel burned, even you be in the aircon. Yeah, very sorry about that. Everyone, please be here. Under the sun here, we're gonna have the group picture together. Okay, everybody, please keep smiling all the time. Okay, you will be famous in our website. Okay. Oh, everybody, this is my owner. He is our father. And she be our photographer today. Okay.
just father สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, give me two finger, everybody. You do like that. Put it from next on your cheek like that, like Asian style. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. That's lovely. Okay. Let's start to show you about the vegetable in the farm, everybody. Please come over here and follow me. In the highland here, we have many kind of vegetable, everybody. We have the chili, tomato, basil, and the lime, lemon, something like that. And about the vegetable, in the basil category, in the lime category, we also have family of them. So the first family that I'm going to show you today is basil family. Okay, please come over here, follow me. Separate to be two lines, one here and one here, and go towards around here.
that oh the basil
Okay, please come closer in over here, everyone. I would like you guys, if you would like to taste the aroma, you rub at the flower here, or you take at the flower here, you rub it, you smell it, you get the aroma. But if you would like to taste the flavor, you take the leaf and taste it if you can eat it. Is it edible? Okay? This is organic. You guys can eat it. That's good. How was that, everybody? Yeah. This is the basil family, everybody. And the basil in front of you here, we call it lemon basil. About the lemon basil here, is the element for aroma, not for the flavor. But mostly, we're gonna serve this together with the local dish, some like a bamboo soup, pumpkin soup to get a lemony aroma. Okay, and the second one to comparing, everybody, please move a little bit to be here. Okay, so about the second basil here, everybody, you guys can pick one from here. Okay, pick one leaf for yourself and pass it down for our friend. And then,
This one I use.
yeah, it is familiar with your basil. Then you guys call it legrass, anise, something like that. Yeah, but in Thailand here we call it sweet basil. And about the sweet basil, everybody mostly we serve together with the curry, like a green curry in the red curry. Also in the tom sap as well, for give the aroma and the hot flavor sometimes. Okay, and the third one to comparing, everybody, please come closer. And over here, we have the basil here. This is the Thai popular basil one, everybody. You have one leaf for yourself. Rub, smell, and taste the flavor, everybody. So about the third one here, everybody, we call it hot basil. But even we call it hot basil, the flavor is less, right? It's tasteless. We call it hot basil because when they touch the heat or when we cook it, it's punching. That's why we call it hot basil. It is the popular one that we have it. It's served together with pat krapao today. Okay, and please move a little bit to be here, everyone. Can you guys